Welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make Lariwala style khichu, masaledar khichu load. So let's begin. Take 2 cups of chawal atta, rice flour. On a high heat, into the medium size of pot, bring 2 cups of water to boil. For 2 cups of rice flour, 2 cups of water initially. Then more water can be added later. Cover and let it come to the boil. Into the boiling water, add a teaspoon of ajwain, carom seeds, a teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds, a teaspoon of til, sesame seeds, hari mirch to taste, salt to taste, papar khar, baking soda can be used. Give it a stir. Add about a tablespoon of peanut oil. Oil is optional, but I kind of like to add a little bit of oil. Turn off the stove. Add prepared water straight into the flour. Mix really well. In meanwhile, boil 1 more cup of water and keep adding little water at a time and keep mixing. Just a little bit of more water. So it didn't take even a cup of water. So it took a couple of tablespoons more water only. Alright, so it's mixed really well. Cover and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the steamer. Take about a liter of water. Spray the steaming basket with oil and place inside the steamer. Cover and on a high heat bring water to boil inside the steamer. Now let's check the mixture. Stir 1 more time. Take water in your palm and take small amount of a mixture. Shape into round first and then keep using water. Flatten it, make a hole in the middle like so. Open the steamer and start placing the prepared dough, prepared mixture. If you do not want to prepare rounds like this, you can just spread the mixture inside the steaming basket. It is necessary to pat with water to prepare smooth texture. And this is the last one. Turns out to be a little bigger. That's okay. Cover and steam for 20 to 25 minutes. Set the kitchen timer for 20 minutes. While the khichu is steaming, take a small pot, turn the heat on a medium to high, add 1/4 cup of peanut oil, mungfali oil. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, rye and let them crack. Add esopatida, hing. Turn off the stove. Add garlic paste, green chili paste, til, sesame seeds, Cover the pot. Add water. Give everything a really good mix. Add dhania jeera powder, turmeric powder, haldi, salt to taste, and hara dhania. Mix everything really well. And the Lariwala style Khichu Papad masala is ready. Look at how nice and green it looks. After 25 minutes, turn off the stove and let the steamer cool slightly. Alright, so the khichu has been steaming for 25 minutes. I turn off the stove and I'm going to allow it to rest for about 10 minutes and then ready to serve. Carefully open the steamer and look at the perfectly steamed khicha papdi lot. Here I have masala ready as well. This is the perfect alternative to sambar that is used with khichu papad, sambar and oil. I'm sure you will absolutely love the flavor of this khichu once you try this masala, the Lariwala style masala. And I'm going to bring down some into the serving bowl. Akash already got hungry, so he took some of the khichu already. And now as you can see, it doesn't stick at the bottom. So I really think that greasing the steamer is important. So I'm going to bring down into the bowl. Cut into medium size of chunks. It's quite hot still, so handle with care. And now it's time to pour the masala. Look at that. Squeeze lemon juice before serving and ready to dig into. It's a rainy outside and I was really missing my Lariwala style papdi lot. Finally satisfied. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can also download Bhavna's Kitchen apps for free on your iOS, Android, Windows and many other smartphones. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku. Thanks for watching and see you soon.